Right now, 70,000 AI models are running in production globally. Every single one of them is built on what we are covering today, supervised learning, the concept that powers 80% of all AI on the planet. By the end of this video, you will understand it completely. You will know the difference between classification and regression, and you will see your first machine learning model built in Python. This is day 2 of learning AI from scratch. Let us go. Most people just memorize a definition and forget it. Today, we do it differently. We are going to understand it so deeply that you will be explaining it to your friends by tomorrow. Let us start with a story. Imagine training a new employee at a bank to approve or reject loans. You cannot write a rule book. There are too many variables like credit score, income, and debt ratio. So instead, you show them 10,000 past examples. Approved, rejected, approved, rejected. After enough examples, they develop judgment. They start seeing patterns you never explicitly told them about. Now, when they see a new application, they know exactly what to do. That is supervised learning. You are the supervisor. The data is labeled, meaning every example has a correct answer attached to it. Spam or not spam, cancer or not cancer. The machine learns by trying to predict that answer until it gets it right. It has 2 jobs. Job 1, classification. The answer is a category, spam or not, fraud or not. This is how Gmail filters your inbox and how radiologists use AI to detect tumors in medical scans before symptoms even appear. Job 2, regression. The answer is a specific number. What will this house sell for? What will Uber charge you tonight? Classification puts things in boxes. Regression predicts a number. Both use labeled data. Both are supervised learning. Inside the machine, it is a loop. It makes a prediction, compares it to the correct answer, and measures how wrong it was. This is the loss. It then adjusts its internal settings, called weights, to reduce that loss, repeating the cycle millions of times. GPT-4 has an estimated 1.8 trillion parameters adjusted through this exact process. That is supervised learning at its absolute extreme. Now let us build one ourselves in Python. 5 lines of code. We import sklearn, create our labeled data for study hours, and train the model using the fit method. When we ask if a student who studies 5 hours will pass, the model says yes. You just built a model from scratch. This is exactly how production AI works. Drop a comment, classification or regression, which one surprised you most? Tomorrow, we hit unsupervised learning to see how Spotify knows your music taste. Follow Decode AI together every single day.